Hello, this is Joanne from the StreetLight team. Today, we'll take a look at a couple of truck analysis in Seattle-Tacoma Airport. The airport has a lot of truck traffic, and planners are doing studies trying to improve congestions. There are two important freight planning questions that we want to get answered today. One, we want to confirm if there's actually traffic, and if so, where are the bottlenecks? And two, we want to look at who is contributing to the congestions, where trucks are coming from, and where are they going to? So let's start with the first question. Where are the bottlenecks? For this example, we are going to study segments near the Seattle-Tacoma Airport. I have run the project previously, so first let's look at how I set it up. These segments are our zones of analysis where we can look at where congestions are happening and help us find where the bottlenecks are. I break these segments into different pieces, intersection by intersection, so we can see things more granularly. To look at the results, I'll jump into our interactive visualizations tools. The visualization shows roadways near the entrance are highlighted red. This means these roads have high level of congestion. Trips are slower 50% than usual, as shown by their congestion level. It is important to note that trucks might behave differently during the peak AM and peak PM. This visualization tool allows us to see how those patterns are different during times of the day, and we can select that option on the left-hand side. Right now we are looking at the traffic pattern on an average weekday, peak AM, and the chart on the right-hand side corresponds to what we saw before, which is traffic and congestion are at 50%. Now let's switch and look at peak PM. The chart is showing that the congestion reduces to 39%. That is a little bit better, but not much better than peak AM. This visualization answers our first question. We can confirm the local belief that there's a high traffic and level of congestion at the airport causing by freight. And the bottleneck is located near the port of entry, which is at the very bottom and south of our visualizations. So let's tackle our second question and find out who is contributing to the congestion. We can answer our second question by selecting a couple of roadways and find out the origins and destination of trips that uses those roadways. So here are a couple of roadways that I want to look at to find out where trucks are coming from and going to that pass through those two locations. We can go to the visualization again by clicking Action and Visualize Project. These visualizations that we'll see in a minute will show you the origins and destination of trips using the two roadways and find out where trucks are coming from and going to by zip codes. We are still looking at an average weekday pattern, and I'll zoom out the map so we can have a better picture of the origins and destinations. While most trips are coming from location nearby and actually going to the airport, trips also come from a pretty far location. So I just selected that we want to look at commercial medium duty travel. Most trips are coming from either 20 miles or 50 miles away, as shown on the map. But the pattern might be different for commercial heavy-duty trucks. Now, if we want to look at how commercial heavy-duty trucks behave, we can simply click the option on the left-hand side and toggle to commercial heavy. And if you look at the map, the travel pattern for heavy-duty trucks are different than medium-duty trucks. Heavy-duty trucks have trailing pattern to the south and also to the east, going to Oregon and going to Montana, which we did not see with the medium-duty trucks. This answers our second questions in trying to find out who is contributing to the congestions, trucks' origins, and destinations. Having analytics and the answers to key mobility questions like we just discussed can help planners quantify the amount of traffic and plan for the best, most effective solutions to improve congestion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at another video. Have a good day.